Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a couple of days between uploads, more like a week I guess. Trent and I have both been super sick, but well, he's still sick unfortunately, but I'm sort of on the mend. Flu season just absolutely destroyed us. So we haven't had a whole lot of stuff going on in terms of cars. That being said, I have had something pretty cool happen over the weekend, and it might surprise a few of you because I only just really uploaded a couple of videos of it. But the Datsun is now gone. What I've replaced it with is something that's probably a lot more exciting to most of you than the Datsun was. And that's because it's ready pretty much to hit the track right now. So I'm heading down to Bunnings right now to grab some bolts because I'm mounting up a Sparko seat that I had in place of the Bri that's in this car because I don't fit in it, a bit too big. But we'll be back pretty soon to finish that swap over, and I'll give you guys a look through the new car. This one, there will be a lot of filming with it because I'll be able to really properly drive it out of the track. It's going to be a heap of fun. I can't wait. Alright guys, let's get down to Bunnings and we will see if I can get my fat ass in this seat. So guys, here I am in the new car. As you can see, I've got the Sparko in, and you can probably also see the half cage and the stripped rear end. If you sort of spin around these cars before, you might recognize what it is just by the shape of the rear hatch. A bit of a giveaway. No power windows in here, which is pretty cool because I hate having too many electrics. Put some weight on the back of the car, please. The side that's off the ground. Here, help me push it back in the driveway. Hop off it. Help me push it in, ready? Yeah. Just got to hit it with a bit of pace. So you guys might be able to have a half a guess of what it is from the sound. You can really hear the exhaust rattling around. I've come down to my local taking photos of cars spot, and I'm going to show you what this is that I've been talking about. I'll take it for a spin and I'll get some in-car footage of it. Right. Pretty much the first drive, guys, where I can actually fit in the car. Man, that was not what I was expecting. This thing comes to life. That is so cool. What's that? About 7.5, 7 grand up. Oh, that is awesome. For a naturally aspirated 2-litre, this thing hammers. Goes so much better than non-turbo SRs that I've driven. When I first got it, it had a massive exhaust leak from the downpipe. Oh, it's like a Y pipe. One of the bolts had fallen out. Super drony and didn't really want to get up it too much because all the exhaust fumes that come through here. Actually sounds not too bad for a little buzz box. The handling is awesome. It's like a go-kart. So guys, hope you liked some of that footage. The 86 is heaps of fun to drive. Every gear is so torquey, and it lights up the rears pretty easy once you're sort of got a little bit of angle to it as well. It's definitely going to go really well at the track, and I can't wait. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll get out there. In the meantime, there's going to be a heap of driving videos, I guess. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Let me know what you think about the Corolla. See ya.